Hello, this is Quinice Walker, and for my event, I decided to host a movie night that displays hard work and dedication. So, unfortunately, due to me being sent home early by Lindsay and Housing because I had to live, and the pandemic of the coronavirus, I was unable to physically hold my event. My event would have consisted of more than 10 people, and I still was worried to hold a movie night with a lesser number of people. Given that I was not able to host my event, I will be using pictures from Google for imaginary purposes. Here's some background. The movies that will be displayed are movies that represent hard work and dedication. The reason for this movie night is to give students some downtime, watch movies that represent hard work and dedication, of course, and hopefully will give students some hope and motivation. The first movie is The Pursuit of Happiness. The reason why I chose this movie is because it is the true definition of hard work and dedication. The main character is played by Will Smith. He plays a salesman that becomes a stockbroker. And of course, this is not easy. And we watch the struggle that he goes through with him and his son. He goes through a number of struggles. In the beginning, this movie is set in the 70s, and in the beginning, he was a successful salesman selling devices for bone marrow. It's basically like an enhanced X-ray. He was successful, and after a few years, some hospitals and doctors felt as though the machine was too expensive and not needed. So he started to take a big hit. He had to shift from a salesman to an actual businessman. And that's when he worked very hard to become a stockbroker. He was even homeless with his son at one point in time. The second movie is Freedom Writers. I chose Freedom Writers because it displays teenagers in high school who are battling unfortunate circumstances in their at-home life. These circumstances are getting in the way of their education, and an English teacher motivates them with writing down their stories in a notebook, labeling the Freedom Writers. Here's a takeaway. Hopefully after this event, I can do it annually or even more, like twice a year. I want to continue to help students on campus by providing motivational activities like a movie night. I believe this will be a perfect way to uplift and boost a student's confidence in themselves if we have a movie night with purpose. Thank you for taking the time to listen and watch my presentation.